Yo, what's good, Duz Nation? What's good, YouTube family, man? Peace, love, and light. Saka Fett coming back to you with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Over here, we are all about self-mastery, financial freedom, and of course, that includes fitness. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to actually create a sustainable, successful business off of social media. Now, I want to preface this video by saying I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial specialist. None of that. I'm just a simple man that created a system that worked for me, and I'm going to share with you my method to actually utilize social media and not just be scrolling down and not making any money. This is what I have done. I'm going to show you some of my real numbers in this video, which a lot of people don't do, and I'm actually going to show you how to, get financial freedom, at least how I got it. Let's get right into the video, man.
Money work. El mundo quiere dinero. Money work. Se arregla con dinero.
So the first thing I want to say is before you start making money off of social media, you've got to get a skill, acquire a skill, a trade, or service. All businesses is providing a service or goods. You got to understand that this is a value exchange. To actually get money off of these platforms, you have to add value to the people, to your audience that are consuming your content, that are watching your content. That's number one. That's law. You feel me? Don't forget that. Think about adding value to your audience first. I know that sounds corny. Everybody says add value, but it's really true, okay? You got to add value to your people first, and that's going to make them want to convert in whatever you have to sell, whatever you have to offer. Once you have the value added, you added value consistently for maybe some months. You might not touch no bread for at least a year. You might have to strategically plan. Gary Vee talks about this method: jab, 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 left hook. The jabs is giving out the free pieces of content, bite-sized samples. Think about it like this: you walk into the mall, as soon as you walk through the food court, you got all the Chinese restaurants and stuff handing out free samples. Once you taste it, like, this is actually good. Now, you might be one of those dudes that just take all the free samples and taste it, you feel me, every time. But eventually, you're gonna be like, yo, this joint is good every time. I'm about to get me a plate. And so this is how you have to position your content. It has to be so good, you got to give samples and add value up front, and you're going to get an ROI, a return on your investment, in the back end. So I'll give you an example, right? For me, I'm a health and wellness entrepreneur, right? I have my degree in exercise science, and so I went an unconventional route and created my own business. So I offer tons and tons and tons of free fitness content out here, okay? I've got free recipe videos where I'm cooking, showing you guys how to make certain plant-based meals. I've got workouts where I actually take you guys through 15, 20, 30, even 40-minute workouts all for free. And so what I do is I funnel this traffic from all the people that love my workouts, because my workouts have been done by hundreds of thousands of people. You can go check. They actually like the workouts. They know that I can program. They believe in me. They go to my website because they've been doing my workouts now for 6 months. They've been losing weight, have tons and tons of testimonials, and now they're interested in actually purchasing my workout programs, whether this be my Gym Duo program, whether this be my Living Room Legend program, because I've added the value up front and they've gotten results, okay? I've satisfied their palate. Now they actually want to come purchase and convert from me. And so once they purchase from me and they get more value added, I've got that customer. And so this is how you guys have to position yourself on social media. This is one way that I've been able to monetize my services on social media and how I earn passive income through my book, through my programs, through my workouts, all these different things, sponsorships, brand deals. This is how you actually build the value up and keep that audience retention. So again, to recap, once you added that initial value, this might be for some months, this might be for a year. Once you added that value and you build a pretty loyal fan base of supporters, of subscribers, whatever, now that you have those people that actually like your content, that you add a value, now is when you can introduce the ability to monetize your content, whether this be through offering programs, whether this is through t-shirts, merch, things of that nature, crowdfunding, whether you want to do Patreon or allow somebody to actually join your channel as a member. Now that you've added that value up front, start to make money out of it, right? From here, I gotta say this because this is very important. A lot of people don't understand this. A lot of people that either come on YouTube because they think it's the cool thing to do, or people that are just viewers and they don't understand this, right? So the thing is that people think that views are everything. Views are not everything, okay? Let me put y'all on game. You can have 200,000 views. If your audience is not actually engaged, it doesn't mean anything, right? Or you can have 1 million subscribers. How many times have we seen a channel that has 1 million subscribers, but are all of those 1 million subscribers actually engaged? So people think that you can't earn a full-time living off of averaging 75 views. You absolutely possibly can, okay? It's not about the amount of views, it's about the quality of views, okay? So just imagine you got a video that hit barely 1,000 views, but you convert 10 people, right, to purchase your course or whatever you have. Let's say that your course is $1,000. All you need is 10 people. You just made $10,000 based off of that one video. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna show you guys one particular video that I did, right? So let's take a look, man. One particular video that I made with Manscaped. So as you can see, over the lifetime, I've only made $2,186, right? But the thing is, I actually did a deal with Manscaped. They flew me out, they paid me for the video shoot. I can't say exactly how much it is, and then I also got paid royalties. This commercial is airing right now on television, right? All from this video. So not only did I make $2,000 off of this video, I got paid to do the video shoot, and I got royalties, and I'm still getting affiliate commissions on the back end from people purchasing this product through the links in my comments and description. So all in all, with this one video, I can't say exactly how much I made, but I can tell you it was over $25,000, okay? I can't tell you that. So you got to understand that it's not about just how many views, it's about the quality of views and how many people can you convert. Just because you have 1 million subscribers does not mean that 1 million subscribers are all engaged. I'll say it again, just because you have 1 million subscribers does not mean all of them are engaged to your content. And so this is why I don't really tell you guys to go out there and just try to hit viral videos, because viral videos doesn't really bring you people that's actually gonna rock with your channel. You might get a viral video and then a lot of people will come and like that one video, but do they actually rock with your core content? So this is very important to have that actual core audience that's really gonna ride with you, that's really gonna support you. I have core people right now that watch every video, that comment on every video, that have enrolled in my course, that buy the books, the audio book, all of that. I know exactly who they are, and that's the kind of people that you want. That's how you can actually become successful. Next, have a clear vision for what your brand or business actually represents, okay? You have to be very clear about this, right? I'll give you an example. Everybody knows that my particular business is a lifestyle business, but I always value these 3 things, right? I always value fitness, self-mastery, and then spirituality. So obviously self-mastery can be kind of broad, but we all know I teach, a little bit of finance on this channel with things that I know in terms of how to monetize your brand online. So you can go scroll down my channel, and this has been congruent. You want to have congruency, okay? When you go on my social media platforms, for example, let's take a quick look, right? When you grow on my social media, for example, right now, we're on my Instagram, right? If you scroll down, you see fitness, you see my recipe book, you see me, right? These are all things just showing that I've had just a little bit of success. This is congruency, okay? Some people flex, other people upsell, other people actually build rapport, other people actually, target pain points with people so that they can convert. So the way that I've layered my social media is very strategic. You see that I'm out the country a lot. You see that I'm traveling. I'm conducting business meetings overseas, right? You see that I got the workouts. So everything that I do is congruent, okay? I've got a motivational section. Everything I do is congruent, okay? And so the reason that I'm showing you guys this is because a lot of people get on social media and they don't actually have a clear vision of where they're going. What do you want people to know you as? Once you know that, now you at least know where you're going. Then you have to study the market, study your competitors, what are other people doing? And then you have to figure out how can you stand out from the pack? How can you be unique, okay? This is a competition. And so if you truly want to make money on social media, you got to know what's going on. You can't just be shooting in the dark. Maybe one day you have a post about food, the other day you have a post about makeup. You can't do that because you're going to be confusing your audience. Not only that, you're going to confuse the algorithm, and now the algorithm isn't going to know what to push you as. So you got to have congruency, and you got to have consistency. Another thing is, are you actually making relevant content to bring the type of people that you want? Even me, I had to dial it back a bit. I was, uploading different types of videos, travel videos, things of that nature from time to time, but then the algorithm started to punish me. I learned my lesson with that. You got to make sure that you're making relevant content for the kind of person that you want to attract this is very important when we're talking about scaling social media and being able to actually convert people and get the right people so that you can actually make money off of this full time. And then last but not least, man, what is your exit strategy? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you have to have an exit strategy because we do not own these platforms, so we cannot rely on these platforms. If YouTube wanted to terminate me today, I couldn't do anything. Now I do have my, my emails of all my subscribers that have purchased from me, so I can market to them. I've got my own website, I've got my own programs. I have a safety net, okay? What is your safety net? What is your plan to actually get off of social media? Because I promise you, there's a lot of money out here and not all of it is on social media. These are real people that you're converting. So once you get their email, their phone number, you can market to them off these platforms. You have to have a strategy to take these people off of social media so that you can still make money and so that you can still be able to add value to them, whether you're a teacher, a trainer, whatever your business is, or if you're just somebody that wants to diversify your income. You've got to know how to actually communicate with these people off of these platforms. All right, family, so that's my condensed version of how to actually make money online with social media. This is how I have leveraged platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and all these things to actually make a full-time income and be able to travel, live abroad, and invest and help and pay down debt, do all these things that I want to do. You feel me? If you're interested in actually learning how to diversify your income and actually have passive income and a life of freedom, click the link down below. I do have my self-made master program where I teach people from all over the world how to actually create a sustainable online business or how to earn multiple passive income streams. I even pay my students their first additional stream of income. I pay my affiliates up to 40%. So if this is something that interests you, make sure to take full advantage. We do have a discount right now and I do offer split pay, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man.
Hi there, my name's Jamie and I recently finished Dudley's Self-Made Master Program, and I am extremely excited to start applying what I learned into my business and my social media accounts. I've always struggled to get proper social media response and traffic. With Dudley's program, I was able to learn how to effectively create a social media site that will get proper traffic. I also learned that the bigger picture is what's the most important. I went through a health coaching program about 3 years ago, and yes, I learned a lot of good quality from it, but they kept making it seem like I needed to do this so that I could make all this money. And then that's all I was worried about, is making all this money. And Dudley does a really great job of not only teaching you how to become successful in many areas of your life, but how to also become part of the bigger picture and learn how to honor proper ethics and how to make yourself of service to other people rather than just seeing them as dollar signs, because that's no way to view people. I highly recommend this program. It's super affordable, and Dudley is definitely well versed and beyond his years, and I love to learn from someone that's also young and around the same age as me, and it helps me know that I still am on the right path. I'm where I need to be in my life, and I hope you take the time to look into his program and check it out. All right, have a good day. Peace.